Today, I'm going to be installing the Ford Accessories trail armour to cover up these ugly pinch welds along the side.
The first thing to do is clean the underside of the Bronco.
You need a 7mm socket wrench to undo this bolt right here. Just need to keep hold of that. And now I'm just doing a test fit just to see how it looks on here. Just of note, this area here has a slight indent, and that's what you'll find goes underneath here when you remove this bolt. I'm going to drill a small hole right here for the retaining screw. Using the included alcohol pads, I'm going to wipe down the surface.
Pull back about 3 inches of tape on each side.
So just use some shop towels to hold this up as I'm going along, just to help me. Don't forget to peel off this part of the tape before you get fully installed. Otherwise you'll never get to it. Using a 10mm socket, I'm just going to take these off. This is going to remove the end cap. And that gives me access to install the front piece. Just going to clean that whole area, make sure it's nice and clean, and wipe it down with the alcohol pad just to make sure this sticks well. And again, just peeling off the tape. Get it lined up nicely. Now you can just slide the end cap back in place. Now it's just a case of reinstalling the bolts. Same as before, peeled off this whole area, pull back about 3 inches, and then slide it in under here. And again, under here, I'm going to take the end cap off of the side step. There's 2 bolts under there like this. What that does is makes it easier for me to get this cap on. Now just reinstall the end cap. As you can see, it presses against there, so that's not going anywhere. And there you have it. Those pinch welds all covered up. Looks great. Some good protection for the rockers as well. Hopefully this video helped you out. There's more content coming soon. Give me a like, maybe subscribe. Till next time.